I'm so exhausted. I've done nothing all day. Oh, my goodness. The house is a mess. Fred will be home any second. What should I do? Absolutely nothing.
Wilma, I'm home. I'm just not fat enough. I can still fit through the front door. Now, where's my dinner?
You're such a slave driver. Why do you put me so hard?
What, Wilma? I'm sorry, Wilma. I just can't hear you, 'cause I'm not listening.
Hello, Betty. Yeah, I can talk as long as I want. I don't pay the bill. Tap, 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 tap,
Hang in there, boy. I'll get food in you soon. Oh, hi, Bonnie. You want to do something stupid today? Hopefully something that gets me hurt.
All right, Wilma, let's stop with all the theatrics. Or I might be forced to tell a little secret I know about you.
Oh, yeah, Fred? What?
Oh, come now. Wilma, you really don't know.
Know what, Fred?
Wilma Flintstone, a natural